This is a series called What Brand Send Me, and I show you what brand send me. This package is from Blackbird Blades, and they sent me their new knife, the Grackle. Just like you, I did not know what a Grackle was, so I gave it a goog. It is this bird. This knife is a titanium frame lock folder with a two-tone blade with a nice belt satin finish and a flat grind. And the steel, it's everybody's favorite. It's Magnacut, baby. The OEM is Bestech. They're gangster, so you know the quality is on point. This one's gonna run you 325 bones, and it can be found on bladebinge.com.